Hey guys, how's it going? My name is Adam. Today I'm going to show you how to add clickable link to a Facebook story. So in order to create a clickable link in Facebook story, you will need to go back to your Instagram. So for this step, you won't be able, unfortunately, for now, you won't be able to add clickable link on Facebook itself. But alternatively, what you're going to do, luckily, Instagram is linked to Facebook, right? So what we're going to do, we're going to just open the Instagram, and I'm going to just go ahead right here and click to your story at the top. And let's say I'm gonna just click the Instagram logo, right? Now what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna just add the sticker right here at the top, and what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna just add a link right here, the sticker link, and basically add whatever link that you want. Let's me just go ahead to my browser, and let's say I want to go ahead to this site, right? And I'm gonna just want to copy it, so I'm gonna just click the link and double click, sorry, and just copy it, right? Go back to your screen, go ahead to your Facebook again, and just add the link that you just copied right here. And if you want to add customized sticker, just go ahead right here and type whatever, right? And after you finish, just go ahead and hit done at the top, and you'll be able to add any shape like suitable for your story. And what you're gonna do before you post it to your story, you're gonna hold your story at the below left right here, okay? And you're gonna just go ahead and select the your account, your personal account that you link to your Facebook. So if you linked your account to Facebook, your own personal account, you will be able to add it to your Facebook story. Just hit share right here and just wait it out until it's uploaded. Let me just wait out for a couple of seconds right here, okay? And it's uploading, and it's uploading. So we're gonna just wait for a few moments right here until, as you can see right here, it's been posted, right? Now what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna just go back to your screen, go ahead to your Facebook, refresh, okay, refresh, and as you can see right here, you'll be able to open the story, and you'll be able to click the link and visit it. All right, let me know in the comments if this video helped you. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you for watching.